guys, welcome to another video, and probably one that I never actually expected to make. Remember a while ago I did a video that my PC had actually decided to balk itself and it wouldn't load, and I tried everything from removing RAM sticks, changing the RAM sticks, even changing them to different slots made no difference whatsoever, which I originally thought there was memory sticks that had blown. No, it actually turned out to be the motherboard itself. It has just decided on its own not to work at all. The lights come on, the ray tracing's fine, it doesn't work. So I decided, after a few coffees this morning, to take out my old motherboard from the new motherboard box, which is in that, lay it down, transfer everything to that, hook up the hard drive, put the new memory in, take off the cable extensions and use the existing cables and plug everything back in, and look, yeah, it works. But that is what I'm left with at the moment in time. This mess. I mean, I am staggered, actually. So let's make sure I can get into it. Yes, because you're not connected to iTunes, sod off, and there we go. Yes, the other monitor is not plugged in, but that is what I have got. Not the best, but it actually works, which is what I'm really happy with. Just want to make sure that every program works, including MSI Afterburner. Yes, I don't need you. That. Change that. Okay. And yes, she rides. Brothers, and welcome back to EDT. Wow, close. Yes, welcome back. Today was a rather uneventful day, apart from redoing my motherboard. My motherboard died, so I had to install a new one. Move the PC around. There she is. The ASUS Republic of Gamers, which replaced the Gigabyte B450, which died. Yes. So after about a couple of hours, stripped all this down, tested the board, put the new board in, all cabled up, all working perfectly fine. The only one thing left to do is cable management. Now, I was thinking of doing a bit of a twist on this and doing this a Facebook or Instagram live video of me actually doing the cable management. Just see how quiet everywhere is. So, I shall do one video tomorrow or tonight with the cable management, and I'll trial out the YouTube or Instagram live. See how that goes. But for now, this is the mess I have to deal with. Yeah, I mean, there is cables everywhere. Holy crap. So I might do half of it tonight on an Instagram live, and then the rest of it I'll do for a follow-up video tomorrow. So as you can see, I've got RGB cable in there, cable extensions for the 24-pin, the 8-pin power adapter, one for the GPU, which is right there. It's quite delicate at the minute, gotta be careful not to touch that or it decides to go off. Fan header, PWM, jump thingy, extension, hub thingamajig, and you know, some RGB cabling and normal wiring, fan cabling, SATA cabling, power. Oh, you know, it's an absolute mess. But let's get cracking.